morning, students. Today we are going to start the exercise number 12.1, that is on page number 234 of your book. Let us start the first question. There are many parts in the question 1. I am going to tell the 2 parts, and rest of the parts you can practice yourself, and the answer key will be sent to you later. The question 1 is, get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. Just we need to write the expression. So for the question 1, I am doing the second part for you first of all. The second part is 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. So 1/2 of what? Sum of the numbers. So it means we have to first add the numbers, and what the numbers are given in the form x and y. Means how we can write the expression x plus y first of all, and then we have to do its 1/2. So how we can write 1/2? We can write 1/2 is this, and if a student write x plus y totally divided by 2, that is also right, this is also right. So this is the required expression for part 2. Now let us do one more part, that is part number 7 we are doing. The 7th part is product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10 means we need to something subtract but from 10. So it means we need to write first of all 10. What do we need to subtract from 10? That is product of numbers y and z. So what can be the product of number y and z? It's yz only. So subtracted from 10. So 10 minus yz. So this is the 7th part. Now after this let us start question number 2. In this question, the first part is identify the terms and their factors in the following expression and show the terms and factors by tree diagram. Means simply, as we have already discussed about the tree diagram, in the tree diagram we have one expression, then we used to write the terms and then following by the factors. So again also I am telling you the 2 parts, and you can do in the same manner as I will do. So let us start with the first part, that is A part, x minus 3. So how we can do? We can write here the word expression. This is expression. Now we can separate it into terms. The terms are x and minus 3. So you can write here terms. After that you need to write the factors. As you can see, here is only one thing. So the factor again will comes out to be x only. Here the minus 3 only will be the factor. So in this manner you can write the factors. Fine. So this is all about the first part, A part. Now let me tell you about the 5th part of this question, E part. So in the E part, this is a little big, so let me erase it. Now question 2, E part. So the expression given is minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. So in this is the given expression. Okay. So how to make the tree diagram? I am using this. You can even separately write the question and write the expression again and make the tree diagram, but I am using this only. So now we need to separate the terms. As you can see, there are 3 terms. So I am writing the 3 terms. Minus AB, the first one. Second one is 2B square. The third one is minus 3A square. Now, these are terms. Now, let us separate the factors. How many factors are here? Here we can write 3 factors also. Like negative, suppose this is minus 1 is separate, so you can write 3 factors also. So minus 1, A and B. You can write in this manner also. So the 3 factors for this, and now again 3 factors 2 and B and B. And for this you can write separately minus 3, A and A. So these are the factors. So you can make the tree diagram in this manner. The rest of the questions of parts of this question you can do yourself. Now, question 2 first part we have done by making the tree diagram. Again, in part 2 of same question, we have to tell the terms and factors, but this time not in tree diagram. We have to just tell. So the best way to write, to do all the parts is, you can make a table as I have made in front of you. You can write the word expression, then terms and then factors. So it will be easy for you. I am going to do the 3 parts out of all the parts which are given, and the rest of the parts you have to do yourself. So even you can start from the part A and continue, make a long table, and then you can write all the things. The expression you can write here, and then the term, and then the factors. Now, you can see this is the expression, which is 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. And if you have the complete knowledge of terms and factors, as we have discussed in many questions, so it is so easy for you to write. So let me write first of all, but the manner you have to follow as I am writing, it will be easy for you. How? 1.2 AB, this is the first term, so I am writing 1.2 AB, right, as I am writing. Don't write the second term just after this, because we have to write the factors of it in its front, so it will be easy to separate it. Now the second term is minus 2.4b, and what is the third term? 3.6a. Fine, so this is the third term. Now let us write its factors. The factor of 1.2ab is 1.2, one thing, second is a, and then is b. So the 3 factors are here of first term. Second term we have minus 2.4b, which have the 2 factors, minus 2.4 and b. And the third term is 3.6a, which is having the 2 factors, 3.6 and a. So you can write in this manner in your notebook as well. After this, let us start the next part, which is in fractions. 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So what are the terms? How many terms are there? There are 2 terms, 1, 2. So the first term I am writing here, 3 divided by 4 means 3 by 4x. Second term is 1 by 4, which I am writing here. Now factors separately are 3 by 4x. It has 2 factors. One is 3 by 4 and second one is x. But in the second term we have only one factor, that is 1 by 4 again. Now the h part, in which the expression is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. Now separating the terms, 0.1 p square is the first term, second term is 0.2 q square. Now writing the factors of it is 0.1 for this, then p and p. So the 3 factors in total for the first term, and for the second term also we have the 3 factors. What are those? 0.2, q and q. Now students, let us start question number 3 of exercise 12.1, that is identify the numerical coefficients of the terms other than constants in the following expressions. Means we have to tell the coefficients only other than constants. So these are the coefficients in the following expression. So some expressions are given, and out of those expressions we'll do some. Okay, so first part I am going to tell you, second also, and the rest of the part in the similar manner you can do by making this table. It will be again easy as we have done in question number 2. So first part is 5 minus 3t square. This expression is given and we have to write the terms other than constant. It is given in the question. So the term is 3t square. Okay, and now we have to write the coefficients of it. So what is the coefficient of it? Again, here it is not given that for which algebraic factor you need to write the coefficient. So it's a general coefficient, you need to write numerical factor. So t square is the algebraic factor, and what is the numerical factor here? Minus 3. So this will be the coefficient here. Now the second part, you can see here are 4 terms, but in the terms we'll write the terms other than constant. So there are 3 terms other than this: t square and t cube. Now separately we need to write the coefficient. What is the coefficient of t here? Nothing is written here along with t, means 1 is always present here. 1 into t is always t. So the coefficient here is 1. And what is the coefficient of t square? Again that is 1. What is the coefficient of t cube? That again will be 1. So in this manner you can write the terms and coefficient. But yes, remember one thing, don't write the terms which are constants. And you have to write the other terms and then the coefficients related to them. Now students, question number 4 of exercise 12.1. Fourth question, there are having two parts. So first part, first of all, I am telling you the A part. The question is, identify terms which contain x and give the coefficients of x. So first of all, you have to write again in the tabular form only. That will be again easy for you. I will tell you two parts. The rest part you have to do yourself. So here we will write the expression. Then in the question it is asked, you have to write the terms with x. So we have to write the term with x, and then coefficients of x we need to write. That we will do. And let us start. The first expression, the first part is y square x plus y. Here we need to write the terms with x only. So this y is not having the term as, this is not with x. So we can write the term y square x. Now from this we need to take out the coefficient of x. And how, what is the method we have learned to write the coefficient of anything? Means if we want to write the coefficient of x, we need to leave this x, and the other thing you need to write as a coefficient. So y square will be the coefficient here. Now the fifth part is 1 plus x plus xy. So we need to write the terms. First term is x. It is containing x. Second term with x is xy. This one is not containing x, so we are not writing this term. So x and xy. Now separately we have to write its coefficient. Now what is the coefficient of this x? That we have already done this type of question. Here the coefficient will be 1. Nothing is here. So 1 is always there. So that is 1. Now what is the coefficient of x here? So other than x, what is left? Y. So y will be the coefficient of x.